Hello and welcome to another video. I'm Maz and today is another DIY video on the F-Type. And in today's video, I'll be showing you how to upgrade your pedals from the standard ones to these upgraded metal ones. So firstly, here's what your pedal box would look like. If you have an F-Type R or an SVR, the metal pedals will actually come as standard. But for 2 litres and 3 litres, these are what we get by default. So for starters, what we're actually going to do is take off the brake pedal. So you pull from the top, like so, and then you slowly pull down. That actually slipped off quicker than I expected. And interestingly, this foot brake plate is actually from the Ford parts bin. And here are the new ones. And I forgot to mention, there is no plate behind the standard accelerator. Luckily, on the new ones, they just say Jaguar on them. So I mentioned to take them off, what you have to do is pull from the top downwards. So to put them on, we're going to do the opposite. Start from the bottom and pull upwards. So here we go, from the bottom and then to the top. Just that top left needs doing. And now for the accelerator. So this one, you just basically slide it along. So there we go, and here is the finished result. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching me swap the default pedals on my F-Type to the metal ones. Like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you are new, ring the bell to stay up to speed, and I'll see you guys next time. Cheers.